Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called job shop. Job shop manufacturing characterizes itself as a shop that has tools, machines, and facilities that have a similar kind of function or performance. The separated workstation perform different tasks during a product manufacturing process. The final products come produced in small batches of varying quantities. Customers customize their order to meet their specific need. This means a business will produce a small volume of products that are not standardized. The level of personalization offered by this process means shop floors have a unique setup and process steps. Products produced by a company may not go in the same direction, meaning item will move differently to next process and may even return to the same workstation several times. All this depends upon the product's manufacturing requirement. Job shop manufacturer can sell their wares via a wholesaler directly to the customer and more traditionally produce the parts for other businesses. Business owners who use this type of process usually use a just-in-time workflow to fulfill customer order. Job shop manufacturing is also sometimes referred to as arrangement by function. Advantages of job shop manufacturing could be customized product design, easily adaptable to change, better use of resources, flexibility, floor level monitoring of products. Disadvantage could be difficult to schedule, difficult to organize, material handling cost will be more. Thanks for watching. Bye.